welcome to Bucharest. The local time here is just approaching 3:05 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to leave your seat, take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure that you have all of your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you've reached a designated area. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. All of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in Bucharest and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. On behalf of my team in the cabin,